Guys, it's Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am so excited. For one, I am back. I took a little break after my spooktorial series. I just feel like I needed a little bit of a break. But as you can see by the title in the background, we are going to be doing a little makeup holiday type series where all December I'm going to be doing holiday themed makeup looks. I don't really have like a title for this series. I was thinking of calling it like Slay With Me, but instead of like SLAY, it's like SLEIGH, or however you spell like the slay or whatever. But I'm not sure. But if I figure it out, then you'll see it in the title. If not, then we'll just call it a holiday makeup series. But as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing the TikTok viral I'm cold makeup look. I'm super excited for this because I don't know, I just think it's so cute. I'm also a little bit nervous because when I do my makeup, I like to people to know that I'm wearing makeup. Like, I don't like doing that like soft glam and stuff like that. I love it on other people, but for me, I'm like, I want a cake face. Like, I want a lot of makeup. So sometimes it's hard for me to do the little like the trends that have like not too much makeup on, because I kind of go overboard. But I'm gonna try my very hardest today. So if you want to see me do the I'm cold bird viral makeup trend, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, I'm so excited to be back. So as you can see, I already did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. So usually if you guys watch me and all that good stuff, I don't know if you know this, but I usually do my eyes and all that good stuff first, but I'm actually going to do my face first, just because I want to bring like the blush into the eyeshadow and stuff like that and make it look like very together and stuff like that. But actually I'm just gonna like put concealer on my eyelids just for like a little like clean base, if you know what I mean. I'm just blending that concealer out with the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. Now I'm just going to take this LA Colors pressed powder on this Morphe like brush and just tap that on the lid just to like set it. So I guess I kind of lied, because I am technically doing my eyes, but like I'm not doing like eyeshadow and all that stuff. That's like what I meant. I'm a hot mess. It's been a while. Let's just ignore it. So first I'm going to do primer. I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm going to take my earrings off. I feel like I always have to take my earrings off when I do my foundation, because I don't want to like, I don't know, I just feel like they be in the way sometimes. And now instead of like foundation and doing like a full coverage foundation, I'm going to take this e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon, and I'm going to mix it in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to make like a little foundation, but it's not going to be as full coverage. I really like the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I wonder if they have a foundation. Let me see if they have a foundation, because I'll be mixing like Pure Beige and like another color that I have in the LA Girl, and I'll be making like a light like foundation sometimes. Oh, okay, they do have a foundation, so I might have to try that out and see what it's like. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna take these two. So now I'm going to take this beauty sponge and just blend it out. I feel like it looks so good. It's like natural, but it's still giving me that coverage that I want. I have to try that foundation because, like I said, I love, y'all see that? It's just a very natural. So like I said, I mixed two concealers, and I mixed the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and this concealer is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. And now for my under eyes, I want to do a really bright under eye, so I'm going to be using Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. I'm also gonna take this ColourPop stick blush in the shade 25-8. I'm just gonna put it straight on my face, like right here, and a little bit also under my eye. I'm kind of essentially doing like a pink under eye. I'm gonna blend out my chin and my nose. I like to let my under eye concealer sit for a little bit, just because when it dries, it's more like pigmented and stuff. Did the light, turning the light off, make it better or worse? For cream bronzing, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Truffle. I'm going to blend out my under eye. I'm going to take the ColourPop blush stick again. I'm just going to put it on the outer corner of like my eye. I'm also going to like put it on the bridge of my nose. And also on like the tip of my nose and my lip. You want it to be super blushy. So as you can see, I'm kind of going like overboard on the blush. So now I'm going to blend out the concealer. Okay, now I'm going to take the butt end of it and just lightly tap out the blush on my eyelids and on the tip of my nose. I'm going to take this Too Faced Love Flush brush and Justify My Love. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe M441, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to take this Juvia's Place brush, and I'm going to take Lena and Tao and basically set my blush with that, making sure to connect it like to the eyeshadow. I'm going to make sure to get my nose, top of my lip. And in the Juvia's Place blush palette, I'm going to take the middle shade on the bottom row, and I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm going to take this shimmery white and put that in my inner corner, and also like put it a little bit on the lid. We're pretty much almost done. I'm just going to go off camera, put on a lash. I don't know if I want to do my lips. I might do like a nude pinky lip. I'm not quite sure yet, but once I figure that out, I will come back with you guys with the finished I'm Cold makeup look. I think it's looking so cute. I hope you guys can see, like, because in person it looks very like blushy and stuff. Sometimes my camera like washes me out, but I hope you guys can see that. But yeah, I might also add some faux freckles because I can't help myself when it comes to like faux freckles. But yeah, I'll come back with you guys with the finished look. Okay, my little reindeer, so this is the finished I'm Cold makeup look. I honestly am in love with it. I didn't think I would like it that much because, like I said in the beginning, I like my makeup to be full glam and just like, you know what I mean? Like, I want you to know that I have makeup on, and clearly you can like tell that I have makeup on, but it's just so cute and like girly. And I hope you guys can see like the blush and stuff because that's like a big part of it, and in person it looks like really blushy and really pink. But I definitely recommend trying this makeup look, especially if you're like a full glam girly. Even if you're like a soft glam girl, obviously try this look. It's so cute, especially if you like blush. I just feel like it's giving cold, it's giving winter, it's giving bird. It's so cute. I couldn't find any like earmuffs or anything, which is so annoying. I've been looking, so if you see earmuffs in the thumbnail, just mind your business because they're like edited on. But for my lips, I actually just did like some like pink eyeshadow to line them, and then I just put a gloss on it. And yeah, my lashes, I went for a very subtle lash. If you know me, you know I like a big thick lash, but I feel like this lash just kind of went with the light glam I'm cold aesthetic. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this trend down below. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. I'm so excited to be doing these holiday Christmas inspired makeup looks with you guys. I have so many good ones coming up, so if you are excited for that or want to see that, make sure you subscribe and turn on my post notifications to be notified every time I upload. If you liked this video or like this makeup look or like me, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I think I already said that and all that good stuff, and watch another video because I have plenty of other videos that I think you might enjoy. And yeah, just make sure you stay warm, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.